When I got this out of the case, when I sent it across the country to myself, it was perfectly in tune. And when I took it off my wall this morning, it was perfectly in tune. Let's check it out. Sounds pretty freaking good. It's funny because a lot of the times when I do these demos, you know, I hear a little bit of my guitar through the speakers over here, and then I go back and listen to the demo. I'm like, oh, that sounded great. That doesn't sound great. This guitar sounds so good.